I think while the excuse was the German language and the Grimm's fairy tales, but I think what the children have possibly gone through in the last several weeks is a transformation of sorts. To be able to participate in creativity is what has happened here. They were not given a script, they were not given a story, they were not given do this and therefore deliver your lines exactly as it has been written, but rather the director, who has a vast experience in creating art, and art in the form of theatre, art in the form of music. You all know that the music was actually created here by the children. The singing was by children. The scripting, I believe, was by children. And the entire process of putting together a very coherent piece within the constraints of their school, their life, the other issues that we all know have also happened, that within this constraint, the children have come forward with the old, which is not always gold, as we could see, but a very fine adaptation in today's context. And I particularly liked the fact that they let the animals loose in the green. I think this is really education at its very, very best. I mean, I'm just shivering with excitement by seeing this very short piece, which has taken the several weeks of preparation on everyone's part. And I have to thank the principal, we have to thank the teachers, the parents for making it happen, and of course the children who participated. I would like to say very briefly a few words about Uday Bhanuji. Maybe you have already been told, but Uday Bhanuji practically grew up with theatre in his body and soul. From the young age at school, he began with theatre at school, has continued to be, and he has trained himself at the drama school to be a theatre person. He has launched a theatre group called Bhumika, which for the past almost 3 decades, I believe, has been taking theatre in the Telugu and Hindi language across this particular state, but also beyond. He presently is the General Secretary of a very prestigious body of theatre, an international body called Asitej, and he actually liaisons with the Delhi theatre people as well as the international group which Asitej is a part of. His biography is rather long, and I'm not going to take time other than to let you know that what we saw here was a part of somebody who knows theatre inside out and has been able to take our children from, you know, they were not just actors, they became directors, they became script writers, they became musicians, they really became party to this entire process, which is performance, which is learning, and which is why I'm actually quite overjoyed that this piece as well as the next piece is going to be performed here. I'm sorry to hear, and I did talk to our Deputy Commissioner, Mrs. Kalavati ji, who could not be here, but on her behalf, on behalf of our principal here from Uppal 1, Ramadevi ji, and the principal of Uppal 2, Shankar ji, both of whom have really put in a lot of motivation, a lot of effort, and a lot of trust. I think that is something that I would like you all to applaud, because it has not been the easiest time. Thank you, Ramadevi ji.